Hi, this is Kyle with Homeqwik. Today we're at 4704 East Paradise Village Parkway in Phoenix. We're looking at a second level condo today. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, coming in at a little over 1,000 square feet, about 1,050. This is a nice, quiet complex. We're right next to the community pool here. Got trees everywhere, lots of shade. Really a nice, relaxing place to live. Anyway, let's go take a look inside. Alright, we're looking just inside the front door. We got our big living area to the left. Double doors take you out into that covered patio area. Then to our right, nicely upgraded kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, lots of counter space. Off to the right of the kitchen, you have a laundry room, washer dryer in unit, and you actually have some shelves on the other side of that wall, so you can use it as a pantry or whatever you like. Alright, heading through this doorway to the left, that'll be your master. Through that door is also a little extra closet space. And we have our bathroom, of course. And across the hall, got our guest bathroom and our second bedroom. Right, that is about all there is to see here at 4704 East Paradise Village Parkway. If you want to see this home or any of our other great homes, go ahead and give us a call at 602-792-5012, or you can visit our website at www.homeqwik.com. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.